Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I love popcorn so much. It is my favorite snack in the world and I crave it constantly. But the bagged microwave popcorns have so much extra preservatives and everything in them, they're just not healthy. So I found this Ecolution microwave popcorn maker and it has been perfect for our family. We love having this fresh popcorn ready. The top is how you measure how many kernels to put in, and it also melts the butter over it as you're popping it. It took a bit of trial and error to get the exact right amount of time to get the kernels to pop, but it is so worth it. It tastes so much better than those packaged microwave popcorns. I love so much that it's dishwasher safe because I have enough dishes as it is with a toddler and a husband running around here. So I love anything I can put in the dishwasher so I don't have to worry about it. If you have a popcorn addiction like me, you need this popcorn popper. And that's my point of view.